Primary School Math Olympiad Geometric Challenge 10. Circles. This is a challenge for Primary School Math Olympiad for questions related to geometry for circles. There are 5 questions. The challenge is to complete them within 25 minutes. If you can't achieve it the first time, do not be disheartened. With practice, if one works hard and revise this challenge multiple times, one should be able to complete this challenge within 25 minutes. Question 1. The diagram comprises 2 similar-sized semicircles AFB and AED, with diameter AB and AD equals 6 cm respectively. ABC is a right-angled triangle with BC equals 12 cm. Find the size of the shaded area in centimeters square. Pi equals 22/7. Question 2. The diagram contains one big circle with diameter of 6 cm and 7 smaller circles with diameter of 2 cm. Find the area of the shaded part. Express your answer in pi. Question 3. The diagram comprises a semicircle ABC with diameter equals 14 cm. Point B is the midpoint of the perimeter of AC. A partial circle ADC with diameter 28 cm overlaps with the semicircle. Radius AD crosses the semicircle at point B. Find the area of the shaded region. Use pi equals 22/7. Question 4. The diagram comprises one semicircle and one rectangle. The ratio of length to height for the rectangle is 2:1. If the radius of the semicircle is 5 cm, what is the area of the rectangle? Question 5. The diagram comprises a circle with radius of 4 cm. Within the circle, there are 2 semicircle with radius of 3 cm, 2 semicircle with radius of 2 cm, and 2 semicircle with radius of 1 cm. What is the ratio of area A, B, C, and D to the area of the circle? Answer for question 1. Add the dotted red lines. Semicircle AF, B, and AED overlap for the area surrounded by the dotted red lines. As such, the size of semicircle AFB and AED minus the area surrounded by the dotted red lines is the same. Thus we can move the shaded area from within semicircle AFB to within semicircle AED. The shaded area, now the size of triangle ABC, equals 6 times 12 times half. The answer is 36 centimeters square. Answer for question 2. Swap the middle shaded smaller circle with the one in the middle of the shaded area. The result is shown in the second diagram. From the second diagram, you can see that the shaded area is 1/6 of the result of the big circle minus the smaller circle in the middle. The area of the big circle is 3 times 3 times pi. The area of the smaller circle is 1 times 1 times pi. Work out the equation. The answer is 1 1/3 of pi centimeters squared. Answer for question 3. Add the red dotted line to create triangle ABE and quarter circle EBC. Since EA equals EB, thus angle BAE equals 45 degrees. The shaded area is equal to area of partial circle ADC, minus area of triangle ABE, minus area of quarter circle EBC. Area of partial circle ADC equals 14 times 14 times 45/360 times pi. Area of triangle ABE equals 7 times 7 times half. Area of quarter circle EBC equals 7 times 7 times 1/4 times pi. Work out the equation. The answer is 14 centimeters squared. Answer for question 4. Divide the rectangle into two squares, since the length to height ratio is 2 to 1. Add the two diagonal red dotted lines to the diagram. The length of the dotted line is 5 centimeters, as it is the radius of the semicircle. Therefore, the size of the rectangle equals 5 times 5. The answer is 25 centimeters squared. Answer for question 5. From the diagram, one could deduce that area A equals D and area B equals C. Area A and D equals semicircle with radius of 4 centimeters plus semicircle with radius of 1 centimeter minus semicircle with radius of 3 centimeters. Work out the equation, you get 4 pi. Area B and C equals semicircle with radius of 3 centimeters minus semicircle with radius of 1 centimeter. Work out the equation, you get 4 pi 2. Given area A, B, C and D are all 4 pi, thus their area to the area of the circle is 1 to 4. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.